everyone doing? It's day 6 of Ramadan today. I just dropped my daughter off at school. I am heading back home, inshallah. What have I got to do today? Today I've got a lot of cleaning to do. The kitchen needs a good clean, the laundry needs doing, and obviously lunch for the kids and iftar. So busy day as usual. My daughter just today's World Book Day, so she was all dressed up looking cute, which was nice. It's nice seeing all the kids all dressed up. And yeah, that's been my morning. So I will take you guys along with me. I'm gonna head home and start doing chores as you do. Last night, what did we have for iftar? Last night I actually did end up cooking. I made pasta with some beef and vegetables, and it was really nice actually, and samosas and spring rolls. Because you know when you just don't feel like, I didn't feel like having a takeaway, so yeah, we had that pasta with the spring rolls and samosas. I was spending a lot of time this morning cleaning the kitchen from last night, but there's still a lot more to do. There's still the dishes to wash. There's still obviously laundry, like I said. I think the trash as well needs to be changed. So yeah, busy day, guys. I hope you guys' Ramadan is going well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, for more Ramadan content. I want to try and do it daily. Actually, it looks like I'm doing daily vlogging, isn't it? But I'm gonna try my best to continue doing it daily because I'm enjoying it, and I hope you guys are enjoying seeing what I get up to. It's gonna be more exciting as Ramadan goes on. I'm gonna do some Eid shopping, of course. What else needs to be done this year? It's Ramadan. Eid shopping and preparing for Eid and stuff like that, as well as more Ramadan daily content. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. washed and I'm exhausted. Now it's time to start prepping iftar. Alright guys, this is how the chicken turned out for tonight's iftar. It looks absolutely delicious. What I did was I took the chicken out and I air fried it to give it more of that roasted effect, and then the sauce and the veg is underneath. Can't wait to have that. Looks scrummy. Gonna have it, I think I'm gonna just make it with some rice on the side, inshallah, and some salad. So there you have it. Right guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying these vlogs, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how your Ramadans are going on so far, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.